Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 16, the sun and other stars. Now you open page number 86, page number 86. So we have to study about the sun and other stars. Before some questions are there. Name some things that you see in the sky. Name some things that you see in the sky. What thing you see in the sky? You see in the sky during daytime. You see sun, but for some time we also see the moon in this daytime. And in the night, what do you say? You see the moon and stars. Name these some things that you see in the sky. So daytime what do you see in the sky? Daytime you see the sun, and night you see moon and the stars. So understanding? Next question. Which is the biggest, sun or earth? Which is biggest? Which is biggest? Sun or earth? Which is the biggest? Sun or earth? Which is biggest here? So actually sun is biggest. Sun is many times bigger than the earth. So two things you know, that what thing you see in the sky, that is the sun, moon and the stars you see in the sky. In the sky you see sun, moon and the stars, and which one is the biggest here? Sun or the earth? So you know that the sun is the bigger than the earth. Now next one, the today what aim is today to tell the children about the solar system. We have to study about the solar system. We have to study today about the solar system. So the sun rises morning like a ball of fire in the east. What happens in the east? East side, you see that the sun rises. The east, sun rises, and you know that the presence or the absence of the sun, we experience about the day and the night. When sun is present, we experience the day, and in absence of sun, we experience the night. Actually sun is available every time, but in position changing. Actually sun do not revolves, but moon revolves around the sun. So we feel or experience as the position of sun is changing, but actually the location of the earth changing. So in this way, in the morning time, we see the sun that rises in the east, and what sun produces? Sun provides us light and warmth. Heat, it provides light and the heat. So the sun rises every morning like a ball of the fire in the east. It gives us light and warmth. At noon, the sun looks just overhead. In the noon, what is which position is there, and in noon what happens? In position is the position of sun is here. This is in the morning. In the morning, in position. Morning position and position at the noon, and after that at noon the sun looks just overhead, and in the evening it sets in the west. You know, here it is the west. Position of sun is here, and this is the west. West, east, west, and in position is with. So we see, suppose this is the earth is there, earth is there, and in position is here. In morning we see the sun here, and noon we sun here, and in evening we see the position of the sun here. This is the earth. This is the earth. So earth, if we are the standing at one place on the earth, we can experience the position of the sun at the different places. In morning we see the sun, the east side, and in the noon we experience the sun at the overhead, and in the evening we can find the sun to the west side. In the evening it sets in the west. After sunset it starts growing dark sun, and soon the night falls. It is all dark and the stars appear in the sky. In the night what happens? In the night, what do you see in the night? In the night you see the moon and the stars. You see the moon. You see the moon and stars. Stars in this way, you can find the stars, and moon. This is the better diagram of the moon to see in this way. That is the experience of the night. This is the moon. This is the situation of the night. In that time they are dark, and we can see the moon and stars in the sky during the night time. So the sun. So we have to study in detail about the sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. The sun is a hot ball of gases. It is many times bigger than the earth. It looks small because it is very far away from the earth. The sun is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from us. So it looks like the size of a ball only. So since sun is much more away from us, actually sun is many times bigger than the earth, but from earth it appears as a ball, as a round ball. Why it happens? Because sun is far away from us. It is far away from us. So it appears very small, just like a ball. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. Without sun, there would be no life on the earth. Why there is no life on the earth? Because sun is the ultimate source of the energy. This energy is trapped by the plants for making the food by process of photosynthesis, and this energy is transferred to different animals. So in this way, sun is the ultimate source of energy, and without energy, life is not possible. It would be too dark and too cold for any living things to survive without the sun. It rises in the east and sets in the west. Now we have to study about the solar system. Solar system. The sun. Now we have to study about the solar system. Solar system. What is solar system? The sun and it includes the sun plus sun and its family are 8 planets plus 8 planets. They form the solar system. The sun plus 8 planets make the solar system. Sun is in the center of solar system. The 8 planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbits. So suppose the sun is there in the center. This is sun and 8 planets. There are the many orbits, but they are moving in the fixed path. So in this way, there are the 8 planets and each planet moves on a fixed path. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7, and the next one is the 8. So 8 planets are there. 8 planets are there. This centrally located structure, this is called as the sun. This is called as the sun is there. And after that, the 8 planets in order of the increasing distance from the sun are: first one is the Mercury. First one is the Mercury is there, and after that Venus is there. Next one Earth, and after that Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune, so there are the 8 planets, and these 8 planets moves around the sun. So first one is the, you know that first one is the Mercury. Next on the Venus, third on Earth, and next on Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are planets. So This one planet, first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This Mars is very close to the Sun and the Neptune is the far away from the Sun. So it is the very close, it is the closest. And if we move from the Moon towards the Neptune, gradually increases the distance from the Sun. So this is the hottest planet and this one the coolest planet. Planet which is the close to the Sun, having receive the more energy and it become the temperature will be more, and which is the away from the Sun, gradually the temperature reduces. So thank you for today. Next day we will discuss more about these things.